Hello, good morning, and this is Josh FX Pro. We're back again, and this is kind of like an analysis video. I've been doing back tests over the past couple of days, and I see some opportunities that I want to bring to you guys. So, and some trades that I would likely also take. I think I'm already in one, and I would also I'm waiting for one to confirm, but let's check it out. Let's check it out. So I'll do one on this video. I don't want the videos to be too long, so I'll do one on this video and I'll do the other one on the next video. Okay? So follow me. Let's go. So we had this pair. This is volatility 25 index or VIX 25 index. So I had this pair. I've been watching this pair for a while. And this pair is looking like it's giving me the vibe that I actually want. So if you look at this is on a daily time frame. If you look here, we have a zone here, which market is possibly running towards. And at this point in time, we have markets that has broken structure here. It's been on an uptrend. This is why you see me put this trending move here, right? So market has broken consecutively, has been breaking structures, breaking structure, breaking structure. So we see markets do this move, make this kind of move, and it created a break of structure here while shooting down. So at this point, there's something I want you to look out for, or I want you guys to look out for. So, but I'm kind of skeptical, so it's not a big risk, but I'm watching it. So let's break it down to 4 hours. At this 4 hours point, we see how market this created. This is an order block that broke this structure, went all the way, breaking this structure as well, and this one. So market came down all the way, but it trended. Remember our rule, right? Trending structure to the order block, wait for break of structure, trending direction, right? So one of the ways I also see this is when I see a perfect rejection candle from the zone, regardless of the break of structure, regardless of it trending down to that point, I see a perfect break of structure, a perfect reversal candle from the zone, a perfect reversal candle, like where market shows you that okay, we are not coming back to this point again, then that is my goal, right? That's my own take on the market. I take in the trade from there. Forgive me. Yawning. So I take in the trade from there and I go. So this is a perfect morning star. If you look at it very well. Initially, I took this trade as a sell. I would for a minute I'll tell you, okay, let me talk about the sell, then I'll tell you about the buy. But this is the ultimate buy that I was waiting for. You see how it came down here before this week, it didn't tap me in and it trended down to that point. So I was just looking at it as okay, this market is still bearish for now because since I didn't see a clear break of structure. This is not a clear break of structure or change of character to the upside. If you wanted to change character, I would expect it to clear this place first, this high. Then I'll now say, okay, this market is changing character, right? So if you see how the market still came down below that point, if you had your order block here, this market would have taken you out and cleared you out instantly. So it still respected the overall trend line. You see, it still respected the overall trending zone, right? And reversed from here. So let's talk about the sell. When I saw this market plunging up, already we are still in a bearish market and there's a break of structure here, right? So, but we still have our full daily trending range, a trading range, daily trading range rather, right? So since it's still bearish, there's a what do you call it? There's a order block here. If you go down to a 1 hour or even 15 minutes, I think that trade was kind of like in a 15 minute, but I took it on 1 hour though. If you go down to a 1 hour, this is the order block that it respected of 4 hours. This is the order block of 4 hours that it respected. There was no the fair value gap here on 1 hour, it didn't get close to it. So I left. This is why you leave the order block structure of the time frames and just note it that, okay, this is the structure of that particular time frame. So when it hits there, it was on a bullish. You see how it was on a bullish trend to that place. So when it got there and then changed character at this point, as it changed character at this point, came back, broke it above again, now came back and broke below. Now this below closed with an engulfing, and that was where I took the trade from. I just took the trade to this low, somewhere around this low. It was a 1:3 trade, right? So, but then all this move was just to come back down to this original 4 hours candlestick, or 4 hours order block, right? And we had a perfect order block, a perfect tap on it. This tap happened around 1. Yeah, it tapped in around 1. But my confirmation for this tap, I had to wait up till 5 a.m. to take this trade when I saw this candle close above this and above this, right? This is a perfect morning star candle. So that was why I put my entry here and put my stop just below this candle. Let's just leave it at the below the, let's just say at the mid range of the 4 hours. So you can leave yours at the mid range of the 4 hours, but this is the range. Make sure you apply risk management. I'm already in on this trade and I'm waiting to see what happens. Okay. My target TP is the high, is the overall high, which we had from a daily perspective, this overall high here. That's my target TP. So I'm waiting to see how this unfolds. And if it gives me more entry signal, then I'll enter. But if not, I'm still cool with it. All right. So, but this to me is a good trade. It's a B plus setup. It's a B plus setup because then my original A plus setup is what you have on a lower time frame at this point. Yeah. When we see a clear break of structure and comes back, then the break of structure candlestick pattern, reversal pattern that cleared that low, last low was actually a good one, right? This is confirmed a low because then there's a break here. So this breaking was perfect for me. It was a more perfect trade for me to enter. So, but this one might stall a bit. You might have a little bit of stalling. We might experience a little bit of drawdown around here, play around, but I know that ultimately we may not see market come back to this zone again to tap in because there's a full tapping on here. There's a full reversal here, come back, then do this a little bit fake out, came back again to that point. So we may not see market come back fully to this place, but we may see markets do this, come to this area. Let's see, let me see if I can give you a structure. We may see market come to this area, do a play around, then break structure again. So if I see something like this or something like another break of structure within my stop loss area or zone with a good candlestick reversal pattern, I'm in again and again, right? I'm going to take the trade again and again. So just watch out for what we have here. And if you see a good opportunity, then we can take it again, ride it all the way to the top. This is the top of the trading range, and that's going to be a very good trade. Trust me, that's going to be a very good trade. So for now, that's what we have on VIX 25 index. Let's go on to the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and also drop a comment if you find anything confusing on this analysis that we just made, and I'll reply you. Okay. So for now, have a good day. See you in the next video.